Maize, popularly known as corn, is one of the important food, green forage, and industrial crop of the world. It is called the queen of the cereals. Maize has the highest yield per hectare among cereal crops. Maize or corn serves as a basic raw material for thousands of industrial products that may include oil, starch, alcoholic beverages, pharmaceuticals, food sweeteners, food cereals, cosmetics, film, gum, textile, package, and paper industries. In this video, we will give complete information about corn farming. Hi friends, welcome to the Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. Climate requirements in corn farming. Maize is a tropical plant that prefers warm, humid weather. It is a shorty plant. It is very sensitive to excess or deficit soil moisture. It cannot withstand frost at any stage of growth. The optimum pH range of soil for maize is 6.5 to 7.5. 600 mm rainfall with even distribution is sufficient for good cultivation. Optimum temperatures for germination are 21 degrees Celsius and for growth 32 degrees Celsius respectively. Soil requirements for maize farming. Maize or corn can be cultivated successfully in a variety of soils ranging from clay loam, sandy loam, and black cotton soil. For a better yield of maize, one should consider soils with good organic matter content having high water holding capacity. A soil test is recommended to find out the deficiency of any nutrient values in the soil. Any deficiency can be covered by adding good organic matter or compost at the time of land preparation. Land selection and field preparation in maize farming. The selected field should be free of volunteer maize plants. What are volunteer plants? Volunteer plants are basically unwanted plants that are grown from previous maize crops. These maize plants may be a different variety, so there is a chance that genetic contamination may occur. Plowing should be done to get fine tilled. It may take 6 or 7 plows. At least 13 to 14 tons of farmyard manure per hectare should be spread across the field or composted coir pit and apply 10 azospirillum packets in the field. Prepare furrows and ridges with 45 cm to 50 cm spacing to save the irrigated water. Seed rate and seed treatment in maize farming. 10 to 11 kilograms of maize seed is required for sowing a 1 hectare field. To control any seed-borne pathogens like downy mildew, treat the seed with thiram or carbendazim at 2 grams per kg. 1 day after seed treatment should treat the seeds with 600 grams of azospirillum with rice gruel and shade dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Azospirillum help in fixing the atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. Sowing method in maize farming. In maize, farming propagation is done by seeds. One should adopt a plant-to-plant spacing of 10 cm and sow 2 seeds per hill. Should sow the seeds at 1/3 RD of the ridge from the bottom. Seed sowing season for maize crop. The maize crop is usually cultivated in India from June to July, September to October, and January to February. For seed production, sowing from November to December is suitable since seed maturity will not coincide with the rainy season. Manures and fertilizers required in maize farming. Other than farmyard manure, you should apply inorganic fertilizers like 470 kilograms of superphosphate, 200 kilograms of urea, and 180 kilograms of potash per hectare as a basal dose. 20 days after sowing, should apply 50 to 60 kilograms of urea, and at 40 days after sowing 120 kilograms of urea and 50 kilograms of potash as a top dressing. Irrigation in maize farming. As soon as sowing is done, immediate irrigation is required in the field. Subsequently, give live irrigation on the 3rd or 4th day based on the soil type and season. It may not be required in the rainy season. Usually for maize crops, for up to 25 to 30 days, less irrigation is recommended. Afterward, it is required to irrigate once in a week. During the early stage of this crop, water stagnation should be avoided, and good drainage should be there. Weed control or interculture operations in maize farming. It requires at least 2 hands weeding in maize crops. One is on 20 to 25 days and another is on 40 to 45 days after sowing. Should apply fertilizer as top dressing and do the earthling up operation after weeding is completed. Spray Atrigen 500 grams mixed in 1000 liters of water and live irrigation on the third or fourth day controls the weeds in the maize field. Diseases and insects in maize farming. The main diseases in maize farming are downy mildew and leaf spot. Downy mildew. To control this, remove the affected plants. Spray metalaxyl 70 to WP at 1 kg per hectare or mancozeb 1 kg per hectare, 20 days after sowing. Leaf spot. To control this, spray Captain or mancozeb kg per hectare when the disease intensity is high. Usually, insect attack is very low in maize crops. In young plants, only shoot fly effects and stem borer affect the shoot after 20 to 30 days after sowing. To control this, apply carbofuran granules at 8 kg per acre at 2 granules per plant. Harvesting of maize or corn. Harvesting should be done when the crop outer cover of the cob turns from green to white color. Harvesting can be done by hand. Machines are available to separate the seeds. The yield of maize or corn. Again, yield depends on the field management and seed variety. The quality seed can yield up to 2,500 kilograms per hectare. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with your all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.